Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you connect Facebook to Instagram on iPhone. So to connect Facebook to Instagram on iPhone, at first go to your Instagram app. Now after going to Instagram app, just click the bottom right your profile icon. Now after clicking on your profile icon, click the top right this three dash icon. Now after clicking on this three dash icon, click on account center, this option. Now here you can see sharing across profiles, click on this option. And here you can see the Facebook account is connected. You can also add another accounts by clicking on add accounts. Just click on it. Continue. Now you need to just sign in with your Instagram. After signing in with your Instagram account, you need to just give the password and email of the Facebook account, and after that you can just connect it to your Facebook to Instagram. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.